If only there was something hotter than my stove, faster than this oven, burning all my hopes. I'm staring at this TV, thinking why can't food do that? Bright idea on a paper napkin, coffee stained lab map. I'll call it a microwave. Watch me change the game, from frozen block to steam meat plate, while you still spell my name. Yeah, they'll laugh till they're amazed, then they'll beg to pay. My life's work in a humming box, I'll call it a microwave. Hey! They say, kid, that's impossible, heat don't move that way. I'm drawing swirls on whiteboards, eating cold takeaway. Late night sparks in the basement, fuse blows, hearts still break. Every failed little experiment, just one step from safe. I'll call it a microwave. Watch me bend the rules, from hungry now to dinner done, while you're still setting tools. Yeah, they'll scoff, then they'll be dazed, mouths too full to hate. My life's work in a humming box, I'll call it a microwave. Someday in every kitchen, every break room, every dorm, someone tired, broken patient hits my button, finds it warm.